Welcome back to the channel. We're going to keep this video short and sweet to the point. It's going to be going over how to use all of the features that your Subaru headlights have to offer. We're going to be demoing a 2025 Subaru Forester, but if your Subaru is a 2020 plus, there are going to be some features that probably cross over. Let's check it out. To primarily control your Subaru's headlights, you're going to be using this toggle switch right here. We have off, auto, and if I press it forward, this is where you'll enable your auto high beam assist, demonstrated in this video. You have your parking lights, low beams, high beams if you manually want to turn on your high beams, and then to turn them off, back. You also have your fog lights controlled right here by that inner band. And this car is also equipped with a one-tap lane change, so you can do the blinker per usual, or click it and it blinks 3 times. Now onto the touchscreen. On the touchscreen of this vehicle, that's where you're going to be able to turn on and off certain features that your headlights have. So you're going to go to settings, then over to car, and first off, scroll down, and we'll go over the auto light sensor. This vehicle is equipped with that. That's what enables your auto headlights. You can change the sensitivity or even the wiper length. If you want to know what that is, just hit the eye and it'll describe what it is. And as previously demonstrated, we have the one touch lane changer. If you didn't like that feature, you can shut it off right there. And if we scroll down a little further, you have the steering responsive headlights. That's a neat feature that I'm going to demonstrate here in this video. This would be really well used if you're going on a windy road where animals could run across the road, kind of forecast your turn. But some people find that distracting, so if that were the case, you can shut it off there. And that's about it.